Okay, so let's start this one. So this question we were doing. Okay, molarity and molality is given 9 and 10. Molecular mass of solute is given as 50 gram. So what is the density of solution? Okay. So here, so while solving it, I made a mistake. And 9 moles is dissolved in 1000 ml. That is your molarity. Okay. Then 10 moles are in 1000 gram. That is your molality. Okay. Solvent is H2O because that is the aqueous solution. The density of weight of water plus weight of solute divided by 1000 ml. So this we have done. Now, okay, let's try to solve it. So in this solution, okay, in this solution, what is there is, sorry, what is there is there is water, okay, water plus solute as we can take. Okay. Water is 1000 ml. Okay. So in this 1000 ml, we have 9 moles of solute. Okay, 9 moles of solute means 9 into 50 grams, so it will be 450 gram of solute. So this 450 gram of solute is okay, but what is the weight of water in this 1000 ml? Okay, weight of water in this 1000 ml, because 1000 ml is not just water, it is the volume of total solution. Total solution volume. Okay, so it is a total solution volume, so we just can't take 1000 ml as water and we add this one, so we can't do that. So that's why the molality is given. Now molality is 10. Okay, molality is 10. Okay, that is your 10. So it means 10 moles are in 1000 gram water. Okay, 10 moles of your solute, whatever solute is there. Okay, that is there, that is your molality 10. Now if we have 9 moles, okay, because in 1000 ml, as we have to calculate the density, so we need some volume. So 1000 ml contains 9 moles of solute which has 450 gram. Now this 9 moles are dissolved in how much gram of water? Okay, 9 moles are in how much gram of water, how much weight of water? That is the question, because we want the weight of water here. That is the volume of total solution. We know the weight of solute, but we don't know the weight of water. Okay, what is the weight of water? That is a question mark for us. That is a question mark. So we don't know that. So from that molality, okay, 9 moles are okay. So suppose 9 moles are there. So 9 moles are in how much water? Because from the molarity we are taking it. So because that is the same solution, this is the same solution which has molality and molarity which is given. So here molarity is 9, molality is 10, so that is for the same solution. So we can just make a comparison. 10 moles, okay, are in 1000 gram, that is from molarity. Okay, so 9 moles are in x gram water. So x is equal to 900 gram water. Okay, so now we can write, if weight of solution is equal to, okay, 900 gram water plus 450 gram solute. Okay, this one, so we can write like this: 450 gram solute already calculated. Okay, this is your weight of solution. Now this weight of solution, how much it will be? It will be 135, okay, 1350 gram. Okay. And 1350 gram is in 1000 ml. Okay, because ultimately what we have to do, we have to calculate for the 1000 ml. Okay, 1000 ml is the ultimate requirement, so 1000 ml there. Okay, and it is in 1000 ml, so density is your 1350 upon 1000, so that is your 1.35 gram per ml, so that is your density. Okay, so this is your density. So I hope that is covered. Okay, although there is a formula, but I generally don't give formula, because if there are more formulas, it's a high probability that student forget about the formulas. Okay, so let's, okay, check it out again. So what we did, so this is the question: molarity and molality is 9 and 10, molecular weight of solid is 50, so what is the density of solution? Okay, so density of solution is weight of solution divided by volume of solution, so that is your weight of water plus weight of solid divided by 1000 ml. Okay, so here the same solution, for the same solution we have molarity and molality. Okay, so 1000 ml is the total solution volume. Okay, it's not just water, it's total solution volume. Some solute is also there which will contribute to the volume. Okay, suppose you add some sand to the water, volume will increase. So 9 moles of solute is there in 1000 ml, so that is your 450 gram of solute. But in 1000 ml we don't know what is the weight of water. Okay, so from here we can calculate the weight of water. As the molality is 10, so 10 moles are in 1000 grams. So 9 moles here, this is the 9 moles. 9 moles are in how much weight of water? So here we can calculate 10 in 1000, so 9 in 900 grams. So this is, so if it is your 900 gram water, here water is 900 grams and the weight of solute is 450 grams, that is your 1350 gram, and this total 1350 grams, sorry, 1350 grams are in 1000 ml. They are in 1000 ml, so density will be 1.35 gram per ml. So that is your basic understanding. This is your density. This is your density part.